Welcome guys. Today I will teach you how to research a best niche and work on it. First of all, you come to aliexpress.com. This is our wholesaler. So we'll check all the categories. These are all the categories in AliExpress. Women clothing, man clothing, phone cases and accessories, man office. All these are the niches which we can work on and develop our stores on. Look out in women niches. These are also micro niches. Look out, these are dress. You can sell dresses only in your store. Your hoodies, your store. Parkers hoodie, your store. Shirts, leggings. These are a lot of products, millions of products there. Man clothing, phones and cases, office products, consumer and you can sell these products a lot. Like, but you have to reach the product which is most selling and which is not easily available. So I will look at this product which is selling in millions. I have also have a great experience with this project, so I am sharing with you the secret. This project is actually a backpack with charging with charger. Look out these amazing products. Look out the sales. 36, 80, 256. People are people love this product. Look out. These are look this product. A cute backpack, anti-theft backpack. You can sell it because its zips are not easily opened by someone else. And this product is selling a lot nowadays. It is a hot product. Everyone is selling this. You can also find your niche to work on. This is Teespring, which is fulfill auto fulfillment. It is also used as a drop shipping for shirts, hoodies, but it when you design your own shirts and hoodies like this wool make me happy. The wool stuff. These are all man career is some designer created and then put it to the Teespring for selling. Look, amazing product. You can see all the categories here which are selling best. They look out to iPhone cases, digital art phone cases. These are all the niches you can get and better idea from here. If you when you select any product, like suppose you select this, then you have to see your competitors. Then go to the Google, type site.myshopify.com, write anti-theft USB backpacks, and press enter. Here is your competitor. Number one. Number two. Check them what they are selling, in which price they are selling, what are they what they write. They check their description, titles, and look out this amazing page. It is only one page, but it is good for selling. Original USB NT or add to cart, trust seals, we pay shipping free. This all to gain the trust of the user. Mag fee, I, some reviews. These are this store close. Mainly they are selling bag and backpacks. Now come to the second. Hmm. They are also selling these products. These are because these this is a hot products nowadays. Everyone want to sell these products. And if you want to see like went to this website, they are selling secret rings. Or suppose we will see one of their ring. For suppose this ring they are selling $165, and you can easily find this product in under $20 in aliexpress.com. Secret wood rings. Look out. These amazing in $10, $2. These are all rings here. And what they are selling at $165. How much profit they are gaining. If they invest on $20 for one sale on this product, then also they get 100 plus revenue on this product. This is amazing about this business. So these are the few ideas I have given to how to research a niche. Also, you can follow my personal blog here. I will personally include new niches here, like this pets products niche, in which you can sell pets dresses, bowls, titles, and outdoor bakes, in which this is also a hot niche. You know, self defense pens, yeah, bags, backpacks, and other products. You can follow all to this. That's all from this niches and products idea.